Welcome back. Look at this market go. 17,350 conquer. The Sensex is now inching towards a 1,000-point rally. Until Wednesday, we were talking about how the Indian markets had underperformed, even say something like the Dow or the S&P 500 so far this year. So till Wednesday, the Indian markets, the Nifty was down 6-7% on a year-to-date basis, while the Dow and the S&P 500 was absolutely flat. So some of that underperformance appears to be getting corrected today because the Indian markets are really outperforming the rest of the globe. Pull up the European markets and the early rates will show you the CAC is only up 0.1%, while the FTSE is flat, while the German index, the DAX, is also absolutely flat. So quite the outperformance, versus our neighborhood markets. But let's get to our segment, Midcap Spotlight. Surbhi is here to tell us more about Vedant Fashion. Surbhi?
Vedant Fashion is on our radar today, and that is because Motilal Oswal has initiated coverage on the stock with a target price of 1,400 rupees per share. It has a potential upside of 20% from their current levels. Vedant Fashion has a pan-India presence with over 640 stores. It has established itself as a strong brand in an under-penetrated space, which is the ethnic wear space. Motilal says the strong design capabilities with data-driven decision-making, which leads to no discounted sales, their tech-driven supply chain and auto-replenishment model, their exclusive vendor ecosystem and a franchise-based EBO expansion have helped scale up their business and achieved superior margins. All of these are growth levers according to them. Additionally, they say if they scale up their emerging brands, especially Mohe, which is 10% of their revenues, and they cater more to their women market, which is 5 times the size of the men's market, it will lead to an additional revenues. Their minimal capex requirements due to their franchisee model can translate into a high cash conversion cycle and high ROICs. Motilal expects in the next 2 years the revenue to have a compounded growth rate of 21% and the PAT to grow at a compounded growth rate of 22%. They have valued the company at a forward multiple of 55 times, which is a 10% premium to the other retailers under their coverage.
Okay, all right, Surbhi, thanks very much for that. Well, steady for the markets, up around 1.6% currently for the Nifty. It's a wrap on Midcap Radar. Stay tuned, your stock's up next.